Hello and welcome to Meditation Eye, your go-to channel for all things meditation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. Today, we're starting a journey into the realm of mental health, exploring how meditation can be a powerful tool in maintaining and improving our mental well-being. This is the first video in our Meditation for Mental Health, Healing and Wellness playlist. We're glad you're here with us. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years, originally meant to deepen understanding of the sacred and mystical forces of life. Today, it's commonly used for relaxation, stress reduction, and yes, for mental health. So, what is meditation? At its core, meditation is the practice of intentionally spending time with our mind. We take time out of our busy days to sit, breathe, and try to remain focused on our breath. This helps us become more aware of our thoughts, act more compassionately toward ourselves and others, and connect with the present moment. Now, you might be wondering, how does meditation help with mental health? Well, when we meditate, we clear away the information overload that builds up every day and contributes to our stress. The emotional and physical benefits of meditation can include gaining a new perspective on stressful situations, building skills to manage your stress, increasing self-awareness, focusing on the present, reducing negative emotions, and even increasing imagination and creativity. Meditation can also help manage symptoms of certain medical conditions that may be worsened by stress, such as anxiety, depression, and high blood pressure. It's important to note, however, that meditation isn't a replacement for traditional medical treatment, but it can be a useful addition to your other treatments. In this playlist, we'll guide you through different types of meditation techniques, such as mindfulness meditation, mantra meditation, and guided meditation, each with its unique benefits and methods. We'll also share tips and tricks to enhance your meditation practice and make it a part of your daily routine. Remember, the key to meditation is consistency. Even if it's just for a few minutes each day, the practice can inject far-reaching and long-lasting benefits into your life. Before we wrap up, we'd like to remind you to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you, and your interaction helps us continue to provide quality content. Thank you for joining us today at Meditation Eye. Stay tuned for more videos in this playlist, where we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of meditation for mental health. Until next time, take care and happy meditating.